Hey everybody, it's Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Thanks so much for tuning into this episode. I've got a really unique unboxing that I want to make for you. And my good buddy Patrick over at Tri Fabs actually sent me a really cool product that he makes. And from what I've seen online, from the reviews that I've seen, everybody absolutely loves this. This is going to be a great gift idea for any of you fishermen that myself live in the northern part of the U.S. where it's frozen for like half the year. So let me just open this up real quick and show you guys what this is. I'm really excited about this. I got this just before I went to ICAST, and unfortunately I hadn't had a chance to open it yet. But I told Patrick I was going to open it as soon as I could and try this thing out. But you guys, this thing is awesome. Like I'm really excited to show you this. So this is the flipping and pitching board. So if you guys like playing cornhole, this flipping and pitching board is actually something that I think you guys would really like. So really good design. You can see there's 3 different size holes here that are used, and this is for practicing your flipping and pitching. And oh my gosh, look at this, guys. He even put Blue Jays Outdoors on the side of it, man. Big shout out to Patrick. This is really good quality. I love the burnt wood that's on it and all the laser engraving. That's actually laser etched, if you guys look at that. That's pretty cool, man. Freaking huge shout out to Patrick, dude. That is awesome, man. This thing is so cool. But actually, it's really unique. It comes with this, like, I think they're called koosh balls. Look at, see? So what you do is you tie this onto your line right here, and then you flip and pitch this into these holes, and it's great for practice for flipping and pitching, because I do a ton of that stuff with Dylan Grubb from Extreme Outdoorsman up in northern Michigan. So here's the instructions. It says start by placing the board 20 feet away. Tie the rubber jig to the extension of your rod and reel. 1 to 2 players takes turns flipping or pitching at the board. First player to reach a score of 21 wins. So similar to cornhole. If a player goes over 21, they must reset the score to 15 and continue to 21. So scoring goes, largest hole is 1 point, medium hole is 2 points, and smallest hole is 3 points. Okay. I'm actually gonna go grab my flipping rod right now. We're gonna try to use this thing. So huge shout out to Patrick over at Tri Fabs, man. This thing is freaking awesome. I love this thing. I gotta use it right now. All right, so I've got one of my favorite flipping and pitching rods. This is my Abu Garcia. This is one of my Verdos setups with my Revo SX. This is actually the rod I use a lot of my jigs on. So I do a ton of flipping and pitching around, heavy reeds and around docks and stuff in northern Michigan. So without further ado, let's put the Tri Fabs board to test. Let's put my flipping skills to test because, I still have a lot to figure out when it comes to flipping. I've kind of a self-taught flipperman. Is that even a word now? Let's give it a try and see if I can get to 21 or not go over. So let's give it a try. All right, I'm roughly going to go 20 feet away. Hopefully this camera angle works for you guys. See just how good I am at this. Oh, not good at all. Need to work out my skills. Oh, almost made it. So close. There we go. There's 2 points. Nope. Made it into 1 hole again. Or that's the 3 hole, sorry. There we go. Now I'm getting the hang of it. Oh, there we go. Now I'm the 2 hole. Alright, see, now I got it. Oh, thought I had it. Does this count? We can hop it back in there? I mean, if there's a fish there, that should count, right? This is actually really fun. Yeah, I could do this for, this is something you could do in the basement too in the wintertime. So talk about just a really cool gift idea for any fisherman or fisherwoman. You guys, this is actually freaking pretty awesome. A huge shout out to Patrick over at Tri Fabs for sending me this flipping and pitching board. This is actually gonna be really fun. I'm gonna use this out throughout the winter. because in the wintertime when I'm not ice fishing or making content, you know, I've always got bass fishing on the mind, so I'm going to use this for practicing for flipping and pitching. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really short unboxing video and the tutorial. And I wonder if Dylan from Extreme Outdoorsman and I should do maybe like a challenge to see who can get to 21 first. He'll probably be able to beat me because he is an absolute hammer when it comes to bass fishing and casting. But yeah, I really do appreciate you guys hanging out with me during this really short unboxing for the Tri Fab flipping and pitching board. I'm going to leave a link to this so that actually you guys can buy your own. There's going to be a link in my link tree as well. So if you guys want to help support Patrick, small business owner, really great guy, makes a really good quality product, guys. Any outdoorsman, any fisherman that's in your family or that's a friend is going to enjoy one of these. So again, I'll leave a link to this in my YouTube channel and also my link tree so you guys can pick up one of these yourself. Again, my name is Jay Ball, Blue Jays Outdoors. Thanks so much again for our support. Channel's been going really, really well. I can't appreciate or thank you guys enough for your support. We're at 1,500 followers. Hopefully we get to 2,000 followers. And who knows, maybe we get to 2K followers. I'll give one of these away and we'll have Patrick custom put your own name on one of these. So yeah, let's see if we can get to 2,000 followers. That'll be the next giveaway we'll do. And yeah, appreciate you guys hanging out with me. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, the easiest way to change your attitude is by showing gratitude. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the water next time.